With VIVERSE Studio, you can instantly publish, host, and manage all your web content on VIVERSE. You can now access it through your VIVERSE account menu. It features a live dashboard that summarizes how your worlds are performing, and new ways to upload any web-based content you developed using tools like Unity, Three.js, and A-Frame, or through AI-assisted coding. Click the Create New World button and enter a world name and description. You can then go to the Content Versions tab to upload your source files. Make sure that the total file size is below 1 GB. Place your source files in a zipped folder, then select it for upload. VIVERSE Studio supports a wide range of WebGL and WebXR content, allowing you to convert them into VIVERSE-compatible worlds. If you're a developer looking for a quicker way to push your content, you can use the VIVERSE command line tool. Click the View Documentation button and then follow the steps provided. You can find out more in the video description. All uploaded content is listed on the Upload page. From there, you can click Preview to see how your content will appear as a world on VIVERSE. This gives you the opportunity to make adjustments in case there are any problems. You can then send it in for review by clicking Manage Content. Then, Submit for review. The VIVERSE team will check it for any compatibility, security, or content issues. Once approved, your world status will change to Published. You will be able to see it from your My Profile page, where you can change its access setting at any time. If your submission is an update to an existing world, then it will keep your previous access setting. With the new VIVERSE Studio, publishing your content has never been this easy.